Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about iPhone tracking you and how can you turn it off. I know a lot of people talk about, hey, your iPhone is always constantly watching you. Well, guess what? There's some benefits to that as well. But as a user of iPhone, you have the power. You can turn on the tracking that iPhone has. Now, let's jump right into this. And actually, before we do that, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, so first thing, we're going to go to settings. And then we are going to go to privacy, which is right here, and then location services. This is what iPhone does. It basically tracks different locations that you have been to. So if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see system services. And then if you scroll down, you're going to look at significant locations. And you see how it's turned on right now. I have turned it on, but once I go inside that, and obviously it's going to ask for my passcode, so let me do that. And now look at this. Here are different locations, my history that iPhone is tracking. So this is how you know iPhone is tracking you or not on your iPhone. Now, if you want to turn it off, well, first of all, what's the benefit? The benefit is imagine if you're in your family, you have a kid, a teen, or someone, and they go missing. God forbid, you will be able to track their location. And also, let's say you could also use Find My Phone, which this is helpful. But most people do not like this, that iPhone tracks everything for them or tracks all of their locations that they've been to. So if you don't want that, what you need to do is just turn this off. The significant location, turn this off. I'm going to leave it on because that's just a decision I made. But if you want to stop being tracked location-wise by iPhone, just turn this off. That's it. Very simple. If you have any questions related to this feature or any other iPhone features, leave those in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.